No, there it goes.
See, what are we calling even?
You like it?
It's close. Actually, it probably ought to be lower just because the other one's probably a bit lower, but it's all right.
Yeah.
That's not the final spot. So, here's the axle. All right, now. So, see those two marks there?
Mm-hmm.
And then, so that has to engage with that to keep the speedometer drive from moving.
I'm with you.
Now, I guess we're gonna
Alright,
take a trip
we gotta move this.
and get closer.
So we can take a trip. First trip ever on the new. You wanna take your bolts out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
I just don't fit. This trip don't fit. Oh,
It's hitting that fucking.
I see.
I got the front anyways.
Get the ratchet out. Ow!
You good?
Yeah, fucking center
stand.
stand smacked me right in the fucking hip.
Come on with it. A little more. Alright, hold it there. We're gonna have to, she's tight, we're gonna have to sit